Your home is a safe haven, a place where your family can be comfortable and happy. So you want the air in your home to be as free as possible from particles, mold, allergens, and viruses. Trane CleanEffects air filtration system removes up to 99.98% of airborne particles, and it's the first whole home air cleaner certified asthma and allergy friendly for its ability to reduce exposure to asthma and allergy triggers. More importantly, CleanEffects can remove more than 99% of substitute COVID-19 virus particles. CleanEffects is a whole home air filtration system that connects right to your existing HVAC equipment. No need to have an air purifier in the bedroom, and the living room, and the kitchen, and, well, in every other room. CleanEffects takes care of your entire home, clutter-free. It uses a powerful, patented IFD corona field to electrically charge and trap particles in the air. CleanEffects even captures particles as small as 0.3 microns. That's 700 times smaller than the width of a human hair. The result? Cleaner, fresher air moving throughout your entire home. CleanEffects IFD technology cleans the air 100 times more efficiently than standard 1-inch filters and even outperforms medical-grade HEPA filtration. Because it doesn't use bulky filters, CleanEffects allows air to flow more freely and efficiently. Finally, with CleanEffects, you'll never replace another filter. Just remove and vacuum every few months. Easy. CleanEffects makes the air in your home cleaner and fresher, and you and your loved ones more comfortable. To learn more about CleanEffects, talk to your Trane dealer.